way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again.
Мене академија ме асоцира на професионалност.
Изразување на креативност на повеќе практичен начин.
Знаење,
Креативност, пријателство,
кариера,
улбех хел,
на изучување нови технологии, диплома,
Личен и професионален напредок.